guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make one of my favorite breakfast menu. I'm going to be making plantain with egg frittata. I also added beef. So stay tuned and watch this to the very end, and also like this video so others can see it. So these are the ingredients I'll be using: ripe plantain. I'll also be using some minced beef, red pepper, carrots, some minced garlic. I have green bell peppers, fresh egg, yellow bell peppers, and some minced onions. I also added salt and bouillon cube. So I'm seasoning my beef. I go ahead with bouillon cube, salt, curry powder. You can actually season your beef the way you want, and I added some minced garlic to my beef. Give that a proper mix and add some olive oil. Guys, if you don't have olive oil, please feel free to use any oil of your choice to marinate your beef. So I cover that up and put in the fridge to marinate for a while I go ahead and prep my plantain. This breakfast is so delicious and very yummy. I would like you to try this recipe and leave a comment in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. My name is Chef MMN, and on this channel I create video that has to do with Nigerian food, international food, simple recipes, cake, pastries, and lots more kitchen related content. So I add salt to my plantain and go ahead and fry. So my plantain is nicely fried. I remove it from the fire and set aside. I'll go ahead and fry my well marinated beef. So my beef is well fried, guys. I'll go ahead and scoop that out from the oil and set aside. So get a bowl now and begin to crack your eggs. So I'm cracking one by one, and I have here in this recipe I use 18 eggs. You can use any number of eggs of your choice depending on the volume of the frittata you are making. I go ahead and mix my egg, adding onions, minced garlic, that's carrots, and I make sure I remove everything. That's black pepper flakes. I have my bell peppers, green, yellow, and red bell peppers. I also added my bouillon cube, some salt, curry powder, totally optional, and mix. I also added Scotch bonnet pepper to make it a bit spicy. I added my well fried beef. You can also use chicken for this frittata, or you can do only egg and plantain. So I've lined my baking pan with my parchment paper so that it will not burn. So I go ahead and pour in my egg mixture and line it up with my fried plantain. So this is the first layer. It's actually optional, but I like my plantain to come out very well in my frittata, so that's why I'm layering it. You can actually do only plantain at the top. So I like to layer mine. You can do at the top, or you can layer the way I'm doing. So I'm going to add in some more plantain at the top. So I'm done arranging it. I'll go ahead and bake this at very low heat. So my Plantain with egg and beef frittata is ready, well baked. Go ahead and pull a skewer through. Once it comes out clean, it means the plantain with egg frittata is well baked. And ensure that it doesn't burn. It should not burn. So guys, I have my lovely plantain with egg frittata. My breakfast is ready. I want to specially thank you guys for watching today's video. Thank you to my amazing returning subscribers. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video so others can see. Also try this recipe and leave the comments in the comment section. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching today's video. Bye bye.